I want to short the housing market. I look for value wherever it can be found.
What has Michael Burry been shorting right now? Well, in this video, you guys are gonna find out. I'm Ben and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Who is Michael Burry? Michael Burry is a legendary investor who's most famous for The Big Short, in which he predicted the US housing bubble in 2007 and the financial crisis of 2008. He did a big short bet against the housing market, and of course, he won. And there's even a Hollywood blockbuster movie which covered the whole experience, so I highly recommend you guys watch that movie.
I want to short the housing market. I look for value wherever it can be found. And the fact is that these mortgage-backed securities are filled with extremely risky subprime adjustable rate loans.
So has Michael Burry lost his touch, or does he still have the ability to make great predictions in the stock market and specific stocks which he can choose which will fall in price? Well, in this video, we're going to dive into this as I reveal the exact stocks and funds which Michael Burry is shorting right now. So before we hop right in, guys, if you're new around here and you do like investing tips, stock market picks, feel free to join the investing family. It's completely for free by hitting that subscribe button, turning that notification bell on, and also if you want to check out the first link in the description below, you can join our ultimate investing strategy course or our VIP membership group where you get access to exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling in real time and my entire six-figure portfolio. And with that being said, let's dive in. Okay, so firstly, what does it mean to short a stock? Now, I'm not going to assume everybody knows the exact technical details of what it means to short a stock. So when you sell a stock short, you're effectively betting that the price of that stock will fall. Now, the exact way you do this is you effectively borrow shares from a broker, you sell them at a higher price, and then you expect the actual price of the stock to fall in value. And then you buy back the shares at a lower price and return them to the broker.
Does it make you feel bored or stupid? Well, it's supposed to. Wall Street loves to use confusing terms to make you think only they can do what they do. It's Margot Robbie in a bubble bath to explain.
Michael Burry found out that these mortgage bonds that were supposedly 65% AAA were actually just mostly full of shit. So now he's going to short the bonds, which means to bet against.
Now, investors can use short selling to hedge their portfolio against uncertainty and against declines, and traders can use short selling for speculation if they speculate a stock's going to decline in value, and this is exactly what Michael Burry does. So what is Michael Burry's investing style? Well, it's clear to me he's a true contrarian investor and a true value investor, really. He values these companies, these stocks, which is a portion of a company, and then even if the whole consensus, the media, the public, is really for the specific stock or the specific movement, then Michael Burry will bet against it. And those type of situations have the perfect ingredients for major gains in the market.
I look for value wherever it can be found.
Okay, so which stocks has Michael Burry been shorting? Well, the first major stock, which I'm sure many of you guys may already be aware of, is Michael Burry has a major short position against Tesla stock. So Michael Burry has revealed a major $530 million bet against Tesla. Now, Michael Burry is long put options against 800,100 shares of Tesla, worth approximately $534 million. And this was by the end of the first quarter of 2021, according to a filing with the US Securities and Exchanges Commission, the SEC. Now, Michael Burry is no stranger to having public fights on Twitter with the great Elon Musk. For example, in a deleted tweet by Michael Burry, which I've managed to recover, on September the 22nd, 2020, Burry sent a tweet directly to Elon Musk slamming the valuation of Tesla stock just after Tesla Battery Day. He highlighted some Bloomberg data with regards to Tesla, and he said the global autos market, excluding Tesla, had 2.3 trillion in sales with 100 million in EBIT, so earnings before interest and taxes, and a market cap of 807 billion. Now, Tesla at the time had just 25 billion in sales, no earnings before interest and taxes, and a 438 billion market cap. At Elon Musk, yes, I'm short Tesla, but some free advice for a good guy. Seriously, issue 25 to 50% of your shares at the current ridiculous price. That's not dilution. You'd be cementing permanence and untold optionality. If there are buyers, sell that. From the lows in 2019, Tesla stock has skyrocketed by over 1,700% and made many Tesla millionaires or Teslanaires. However, from February 2021, along with the major growth stock market, Tesla stock did decline by a massive 30%. So you could argue that Michael Burry would have made some cash during that period. However, since then, Tesla stock has increased back by another 30%. So Tesla stock is currently trading at $730 per share with a market cap of $722 billion. And Michael Burry is still short Tesla. So we'll see what happens. I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. So please do comment below. Okay, so what else has Michael Burry been shorting? Well, he's also shorted ARK Invest. So yes, the investment firm which specializes in disruptive and innovative technology, led by their bullish founder on many technology stocks such as Tesla, the great Cathie Wood. Now, Cathie Wood gave Tesla a brave price target of over $5,000 in early 2020, which I did cover on this channel, and made it the largest position, around 10% of all ARK Invest ETFs or exchange traded funds. This paid off massively for ARK Invest after Tesla stock's meteoric rise in 2020. According to a 13F regulatory filing at the end of Q2 2021, Michael Burry's Scion Asset Management owned put contracts against 235,000 shares of ARK's Innovation ETF or ARKK. But Michael Burry isn't the only person shorting ARK Invest. The short interest of ARK Invest ETF has currently skyrocketed to a record high of 11.63%. And even an investment management firm called Tuttle Capital Management filed a prospectus with the SEC to launch a short ARK ETF earlier this month. So things are not looking great for Cathie Wood, but she's been biting back on Twitter. So on Twitter, Cathie Wood stated, to his credit, Michael Burry made a great call based on fundamentals and recognized the calamity brewing in the housing and mortgage market, as you can see in the Big Short movie. And then she goes on to say, I do not believe that he understands the fundamentals that are creating explosive growth and investment opportunities in the innovation space. Talking about the general strategy of investing in innovation, she stated, in our view, ARK Invest, the seeds for the innovation that ARK Invest is dedicated in researching were planted during the 20 years ending with the tech and telecom bust. Having gestated for more than 20 years, these technologies should transform the world during the next 10 years. So it's clear Cathie Wood does put up an incredible argument. She was right in 2020, but now let's see what happens with ARK Invest. Is the ARK finally going to sink and Michael Burry come out on top, or will Cathie Wood reign supreme once more? Well, we'll see what happens, but be sure to watch this channel, Motivation to Invest, and I'll be following minute by minute updates. So if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And remember, guys, if you do want to access in real time exactly which stocks I'm personally buying, selling, and my entire investment portfolio, and join a thriving community of investors, check out that second link in the description below for our VIP membership group. Or if you want to learn how to be an exceptional fundamental investor, check out the first link for our ultimate investing strategy course, which does give you access also to our thriving VIP membership group. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have an incredible day. I wish you luck in the markets and invest safe.